All right, Piano Lab, today we're going to learn our other primary chord, the 4 chord. So far we've done 1 and 5-7, and I wanted to start by reviewing the 1 and 5-7 chord. So you will need pages 86 through 90 for this lesson. If you want to go back and review the 1 and 5 chord, that was pages 48 through 52. So you can go back and take a look at those. But just really quick, let's take a look at it on the piano. Our 1 chord is C, E, and G. So with the left hand, it's 5, 3, 1. And our 5-7 chord, we move our pinky down to B, and we play 2 and 1 with that. So it's B, F, G, and then back to 1 chord. Same idea with the right hand, just different fingers. So thumb, 3 and 1, C, E, G for a 1 chord. We move the thumb down and play 4 and 5, F and G with it. Back to 1 chord. Okay, so you will need those chords, so go back and practice those if you feel like you need a refresher on them. Okay, so today's lesson, we're going to take a look at moving up out of our 5-finger position, right? We had added B, so this time we're going to add an A. And I'm going to start with the right hand, just like they do in the example here. So let's take a look. If I'm playing each finger and I want to get up to an A, I'm just going to move my pinky here. So you're just moving your pinky up. Okay, again, this is going to be probably a little bit harder than when we did the thumb because our pinky is just not as strong. So this is going to take a little bit of practice. Also, when you're moving up, you might want to move your other fingers with you. That can help a lot, and a lot of times those will be the notes that you're playing. So that can help make it feel a little bit more secure if you move your fingers with you. Okay, so you might recognize this pattern. We're going to play a 1 chord, and then we're going to practice going up to the A, back to a 1 chord, up to the A. Okay, so let's try playing this together with the right hand. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. C, E, G, C, F, A, C, E, G, C, F, A. And just to show you that on the piano, it's 1, 3, 5. Then I move my hand up. 1, 3, 5. Back down. Back up. Okay, so give that a try on your paper piano or your home piano keyboard. And then let's take a look. That was getting us ready for our 4 chord, our F major chord. So to play that chord, you're just going to play C, F, and A. So here's our 1 chord. And then we just move our whole hand up like we did before. C, F, A to play a 4 chord. So here's 1. Here's 4. 1. All right, so give that a try. When we are done with the video, I'm going to have you go through and practice filling in some of the chords. So you'll go back on the worksheets and do that. Let's, though, move ahead and take a look at the A in the left hand as well, okay? So here we go. It's the same pattern, but on this hand, we're moving up our 3rd and 1st finger, right? We're moving thumb up. So let's take a look at that. If we were just playing, this thumb goes up. And again, you might want to move your whole hand. For me, it's a little bit easier to just move my thumb, but we'll take a look at that with the chord. Okay, so G, A, G, A. In the exercise, 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. So what I was just saying is it might be easier not to move that hand position. 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. So you can follow along with your music. I'm going to show you with my hand once so that you can see that fingering. All right, 1, 2, red, here we go. 5, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. C, E, G, C, F, A. Okay? And then just like we did with the right hand, our left hand chords, a 1 chord is C, E, G, a 4 chord, C, F, A. So let's take a look at that. Here's 4 chord, second finger at the top. Now you might notice my hand is kind of moving like that. When I go up to that 4 chord, I let my arm kind of come in a little bit. So that makes it a little easier to get that reach. So don't feel like you have to keep a stiff arm. You can kind of move with it a little bit to give yourself some reach there. Okay, so like I said, you're going to practice doing some of this at home. Page 88 just has filling in what the chords are, and then you can practice playing them. Same thing at the bottom here. You can practice filling those in. And then if you want to give a try to this song, this is another example. It's not in our piano book, but this is great practice for these chords. So you can give that a try too. And this is all in the left hand, right? And then page 89 is going back to our right hand chords. So same thing, fill them in, try playing it, and you'll be sending those in. And then on page 90, I just wanted to go over really quick this other symbol that is new for this chapter, and that is the slur line. So a slur means we're going to try to really make these notes sound connected, right? So in the assignment up here, make sure you read the directions. You're going to draw a slur in, and then you're going to fill in what the chords are. And then down here is really helpful. This talks a little bit about the difference. So a slur means you're connecting the notes. You're trying to make them sound like there's no gap. A tie is you continue to hold the note. So this would be 6 beats, right? So let me play you the difference. This is the wrong way to play this, okay? This would be staccato. We'd play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Could you hear the gap between the 2 notes? So that's what we don't want. We don't want any gap. We want to play one note right after the other. So here's the correct way to play legato. So to do that, I kind of leave my first note down, and then when I play the other note is when I lift up. I don't want to lift up before. So that there's no gap. So you can give that a try on the piano, and you can try that out in your lessons this week. And at the bottom of the page here, there's just practice identifying if it's a tie or if it's a slur. Or if it's tie, or if it's slur, if it's tie, it's a slur. So you'll just fill those in, okay? The one other thing that I'd like you to do today is to pick any of the exercises off of here. You're gonna just do a short little video of you playing any of the exercises. So you can pick off of page 88, off of page 89, or off of this page 90, and just attach a short little video of you playing one of those. If you do not have a piano at home, just show me that you're doing those chords on your paper piano. So you're just sending in a little video of you trying the chords. Okay, if you're not sure what to do, just let me know and I will walk you through it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Email me if you have any questions.